Today we're going to be walking from the Alamo to the Tower of the Americas. Let's go. Here's the Scream experiment. Looks pretty enticing. It's a year-round haunted house in downtown San Antonio. All these e-scooters. It's like an invasion. The fabulous Hilton Palacio del Rio with its somewhat recent facelift and some downtown art. Also on the left here is the Chamber of Commerce, and you can see the tower in the background, which is where we'll eventually end up.
9, 8.
One of the iconic buildings of downtown San Antonio there. There's a better view of the actual tower. Tower of the Americas was built for the 1968 World's Fair as its centerpiece. There's another view of the tower. Guadalajara Grill. It seems that every restaurant named Guadalajara is always really good. Looks like we're headed in the right direction because there's the tower. Discover Hemisfair with this map. There it is. Not sure what that is on the top though. There's a chart house restaurant at the top, and it also revolves. There's an observation deck, and the elevator is outside, so I guess you have a bird's eye view of the surrounding areas on the way up. Tower of the Americas. Come down here. Yeah, it's pretty tall. Here's the tower tickets. I guess I have to go over there. Another shot of the tower here. And inside the tower will actually be a separate video. If you like this video or a little walk over to the tower, please let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.